Sammy Shock, I'm so worried.
Well, why?
I'm worried because I was just at the mechanic repair shop, and you know what they told me?
What?
They told me that I'm underperforming, and that I need to be replaced.
Oh.
I'm so stressed and worried, but that's not even the worst part, Sammy.
What?
The worst part is they brought up your name, too.
Me? Oh, damn, I've been caught.
Ah!
Well, Chris, what are we going to do with our underperformers? Steven Strut and Sammy Shock.
Oh, they're not holding up to the safety triangle.
Safety triangle. What is a safety triangle?
Well, that's going to be your stopping, your steering, and that's also going to be your suspension.
Oh.
And if one of those fail, that's going to cause stress on the other two.
That could be they call it a safety triangle. So if one of those things is weak or failing, that's a safety issue. That's probably why I'm going through front brakes so much, because when I brake hard, my car goes like this. It kind of does like a nosedive.
Exactly.
And is that caused by worn suspension?
That's exactly what causes that.
Probably a lot of shocks and struts are doing that, aren't they?
Yeah, so we're going to have to do the only option we have.
Okay, well, I hate doing this, but it needs to be done sometime. So let's go take advantage of that one option that we have left. All right, Christian, let's get rid of these two underperformers, Sammy Strut and Steven Shock.
All right,
Get
get him out of here.
This guy was so worn he's decapitated already. He lost his head.
Well, that's not going to be
No. No more runners. We're getting rid of
I still want. No!
No, I don't want to go in there.
In the graveyard they go. Well, Christian, I feel so much better. We got rid of our underperforming parts. We got their replacements in. It's like we're celebrating Shocktober for the month of October.
I'm loving it. And what we're going to be doing is running a special for Shocktober, where if you buy 3 shocks, you are going to be getting 1 free.
Absolutely. So if you're experiencing nosedive or accelerated wear on your steering, suspension, and stopping components, swing it by the shop. And if it's related to if it's related to shocks or struts, we'll take your old struts out and we will send them to the graveyard.
And do be aware, you need to replace these struts about every 75,000 miles. Unless they are leaking or damaged, then you want to get them replaced right away.
Absolutely. So again, even for just peace of mind, because that safety triangle is critical to your safety and your family's safety and even the safety of those around your vehicle. If you have any questions at all about it, swing by the shop. We'll have one of our technicians take a look at it. And if it needs to be replaced, we will remove it for you, send it to the graveyard, but make your reservations quickly because our cemetery, it's filling up, Christian.
Oh yeah, there's only so much room we can put in there.
All right, guys. So we look forward to seeing you this Shocktober. Love you. See you. Bye.